Hey, this is Ivory with MunchyGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make these air fryer baby carrots. These are covered in a brown sugar glaze, and then they're roasted in the air fryer until they're nice and sweet. For the ingredients, you'll need baby carrots, melted butter, olive oil, salt, pepper, parsley, and brown sugar. Start by preheating your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 10 minutes. To a medium-sized bowl, add the carrots, melted butter, olive oil, brown sugar, and salt and pepper. Stir until the carrots are well coated. Next, go ahead and add the carrots to the air fryer in a single layer, and then air fry for 10 minutes. Be sure to check on them halfway through and give them a good shake. Once the carrots are done, go ahead and remove them from the air fryer, add them to a bowl, top with parsley, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching.